Interaction designers work on interdisciplinary teams of various sizes and collaborate with nearly every professional involved in the creation of the interfaces and devices all around us. I often say that if you want an instant subject matter expert, just add an information or interaction designer to the project, because it is our responsibility to understand the business requirements, the user's needs and expectations, the technological opportunities and constraints, the purpose of the device or interface, and the contexts in which it will be used. We also need to be able to quickly and frequently change our perspective on a project, from the high-altitude strategic view to the detailed tactical view and back. This includes answering questions from both the strategic and tactical perspectives, such as, why does the device or interface exist? What's the business model? What value does it provide? What are the user's needs? How does it work? What's the design solution? So, the interaction designer brings diverse skills to collaborate in constantly changing, challenging, and innovative environments.